Fortunately, the White Oak Animal Safe Haven made it their mission to provide homeless animals with a loving and safe environment until they find their permanent home. The White Oak Animal Safe Haven is a nonprofit, volunteer-run, no-kill shelter that is located in White Oak, Pennsylvania. The shelter has provided a temporary home for over 10,000 animals in just 11 years since its opening. Pets offer an unconditional love that is scientifically shown to promote a sense of emotional connectedness and overall well-being. Donate or adopt today. You just might find that your rescue rescues you.